Let me show you how to turn this simple clock box into an activity that supports learning for ECC and primary school. So we're doing social studies for symbols and map skills. Going to play, explore, and this is hands-on discovery. And the dimension is easy storage. I love to do things in order, so let's start with ECCE. That's early childhood education, and that's ages 3 to 4. At this age, they're not memorizing any map. They're just doing pre-map skills. So visual discrimination. That's just a big word for saying matching shadows to their very own objects. So you see, I did an outline of just black. The black represents the shadow. They do concepts of size. So they will be learning up, down. Tobago is up, Trinidad is down. See how easy I made it look? They're going to learn the concept of position and size. Next, let me break it down for you parents. This is Tobago, this is Trinidad. Tobago is smaller, so small. Trinidad is big. Tobago is up, Trinidad is down. Lastly, 3 and 4-year-olds, they have to understand observation skills. This is the scarlet ibis. This is red. You can find it in Trinidad and Tobago. This is the steel pan, it's silver, and our cocorico is brown, and you find that in Tobago. So they see the difference in the shapes and the colors. Hence the reason I did it like a puzzle. So they find the shapes, the outline, and they put it in the correct spot. For the younger ones, they're just putting in Tobago and Trinidad. Leave it as that. They don't have to learn to label or anything. You don't need to pressure them to learn the names. Just teach them the national flag and the national instrument. To understand the bird colors, they just don't need to recognize which is which yet. They are babies. The young ones, they are understanding shape, space, and comparison. Now, for the older ones from infants to standard one, we're giving them storage. They need the storage because they will be assembling everything on their own. They are simply going to learn your map skills and their national identity. This is social studies for them. So the skill they're learning here is map. So the map recognition is identify and place Trinidad and Tobago in the correct spots. They have to understand that this map is a representation of a real place, and that place is the country we live in. They have to understand location awareness. This is simply to distinguish land from water. That's all. So, you have topics like land versus water. They'll understand that Trinidad and Tobago, the green part,